So we are here at Computex 2024. This is the exhibition show for day 1, and we are here with KLEVV. And the reason why we're here is because they have a total of 4 new different products, and also one more surprise that we're going to show you somewhere near the end of this video. That surprise is interesting because it's technically not meant for end users right now. Actually, the technology is out there. It's just that, yeah, the future products are going to use it. So that's good to see that they are already available in the market right now. So eventually, if you want to go out and buy them, it's available from KLEVV. So let's head inside and see what's the 4 products and the surprise is. The first thing that we want to talk about here is this SSD right here. So this is the new genuine G560 PCIe Gen 5X4 SSD. Yes, you heard that right, PCIe Gen 5. That means this SSD is going to have magnificent speeds. We are talking up to 14,000 megabytes per second. That is truly an unheard of speed that you can get off of an SSD. And of course, heat is going to be an issue. That is why you have such a big ass heatsink on this SSD alone. There is surprisingly no active fan, so I'm not sure how that will work out. Maybe we'll check it out in the future when we do get our hands and then review it for ourselves. So for the RAM part, KLEVV has something kind of a different twist. So if you remember, they have an existing RAM called the KLEVV RGB RAM. This is currently their highest end RAM, but now they have an even more special edition of this RAM with ROG. So this is the KLEVV RGB ROG certified. Of course, if you know ROG, they are an enthusiast in high performance computing, so you can get 7200 mega transfers per second through an XMP profile on this ROG certified RAM. Again, XMP profile only, that is amazing. I'm not sure how much you can push it if you want to do manual overclocking, but this thing out of the box is already very good. And then moving down the line, we have something called the Urban V RAM. Now this one, even though they didn't say RGB in the name, it is actually an RGB RAM, but in a very minimalist look. Personally, I really do like the aesthetic of this RAM. This one that we are showing right here is not the finalized design yet, but the shape is finalized. So if you want to question why there's 2 KLEVV logos on the RAM here, yeah, this design is not finalized yet. And lastly, for the RAM part, this is the new FitV. It's an entry-level RAM, low profile, and also does not have RGB. In a way, even though it is aimed forward the budget market, it's in a way for the thin profile you can fit in a very big air cooler in your PC, and this RAM would not obstruct your cooler. And now we're back here for the surprise of what we said earlier. So the surprise is actually this thing, the LP Cam 2 module. This thing is gonna be the future replacement for laptop RAMs, and you can see they have 2 holes here. Those are actually for you to screw and unscrew onto the laptop motherboard. Technically, you can upgrade your laptop's RAM while maintaining a sort of a soldered look and performance for your laptop. That is the benefit of LP Cam 2, but as of now, there is still no laptops that are using LP Cam 2 yet. So it's kind of surprising that the hardware is already ready, so it's just up to laptop manufacturers to adopt this technology. Out of all the 5 things that we saw in this video, I would have to say KLEVV is really pushing the boundaries of what memory technologies can do. So we got very fast PCIe Gen 5X4 NVMe SSD that can go up to 14,000 megabytes per second. That is amazing. And also the ROG RAM, we can go at least 7200 mega transfers per second. That is also amazing. Imagine just turning on your PC, loading up the XMP profile, and you get that kind of speed. It's amazing. And also, of course, there's a more budget-oriented RAM that looks very minimalist, low profile. So if you're using big heat sinks, big air coolers for your desktop, then those RAMs are gonna be magnificent as well. If you want to know more about KLEVV stuff, then I will leave a link down in the description below. I'm not sure if it's updated on their website, but do check them out.